Hello everybody, Mrs Dennis here, and today we're going to look at the suffix full. To have a suffix, we need to start with a root word. Here are all my root words. You can try to read along with me. Hope, help, cheer, fear, forget, colour, beauty, plenty. Now, all of these words can change meaning if we add the suffix full. When we add the suffix full to a root word, it changes the meaning of the word to mean full of. An example would be colour becomes colourful. This word would mean full of colour. The world is colourful. Another example would be fear. When we add the suffix full, it becomes fearful. The lady was fearful for her life on the roller coaster. That would mean she was full of fear. Cheer. When we add full, it becomes cheerful. The children were cheerful because they won the game. That would mean the children were full of cheer. It's often easy to add full to a root word if it doesn't end in Y. We had two that ended in Y, beauty and plenty. Now there is a cheeky rule with these ones, and it means we need to swap the Y for a different letter. Does anyone think they know how they could write the word full of beauty or full of plenty? Let's look at full of beauty. We need to take away the Y and add an I. I'm going to cross my Y out to remind me that I don't need it anymore. Then I'm going to replace it with an I. I can still read this as beauty, but only when it needs the full suffix. If it doesn't need the suffix, we keep the Y. Beauty becomes beautiful. It's the same with plenty. We cross through the Y and we change it to an I because the Y is a consonant. That means we can't use it with the full suffix. So plenty changes, we take off the Y, we add the I, and now we have plentiful. There were plentiful pencils in the classroom. It would mean there was enough, there was the right amount of quantity of those pencils. Let's see if you can guess what the suffix word would be from these meanings. Full of hope. Great, that would be hopeful. Full of cheer. Great, that would be cheerful. Full of beauty. Great, that would be beautiful. Can you tell me why beautiful is also a special word? Well done. It is one of our common exception words, and if you can use that today and going forward in your writing, you are definitely challenging yourself. The last part I'm going to show you is writing the words into some sentences. The railway used to be a tearful sight. Can you see the full suffix word? Well done, it was tearful. It means that the sight of the railway used to fill the person with tears. It would mean it was sad. I'm going to try and write one more sentence with the word beautiful. Liam, our character this week, looked after the beautiful plants. As I'm writing, I'm remembering that I don't need the Y in beauty. I need to replace it with an I and then add F-U-L for my full suffix. I'm also using my common exception words so that I can use the word plants. I know that's a good word to use because it's on my word map. Liam looked after the beautiful plants. I can underline the word beautiful to show that I have used my suffix words today. I hope you have fun practicing those and that you take some time to learn to spell them. And don't forget, if one of your root words ends in a Y, you should always swap it for an I. Good luck!